This is Pine, speed setting 3. It cuts just as good as the Ryobi corded Jigsaw, if not better. DCS334B. Made in Mexico. Very simple packaging. That's everything in the box. It is brushless XR. This DeWALT Jigsaw is very well designed. It has 2 LED lights that illuminates the work surface, and it will stay on for 20 seconds after the trigger is pressed. There is also a lock as a safety mechanism, a speed dial with 7 being the highest and the 1 being the lowest. Safety lock. Disengage the lock and we get the variable trigger switch. I'm currently using the lowest speed setting. Use high speed for cutting soft material such as wood. That's the maximum speed. Blade release latch. To install the blade, it's a good idea to lock it and remove, of course, the battery. It's pretty secure, there's no play. Finger guard, so you won't cut through your fingers. Orbital action lever. The shoe bevel with the bevel switch unlocked. I can easily adjust the cutting angle and make beveled cuts. It can switch to both sides easily. And there are a few positive stops, with 45 degrees being the largest. This is Pine, speed setting 3. MDF, speed setting 7. Speed setting 7. Hardwood maple. Same piece of wood, Ryobi corded Jigsaw. This saw is a beast, especially the test cut on this maple hardwood. It is so smooth, just like a circular saw cut. Wow, like a hot knife through butter. Tons of power. Incredible power. DeWALT brushless motor is no joke. It cuts just as good as the Ryobi corded Jigsaw, if not better. A great saw, highly recommended. According to the user manual, there is a dust port blower in the center, so it will shoot off the dust in front. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find this review helpful. Thank you.